Hey beauties, what's up? What a gone? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. In this video, what you see here is a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Avon. They gifted me this beautiful palette that has 20 eyeshadows. It comes with 2 blush shades, 2 highlighters, and contour shades as well. And the shades are beautiful, pigmented, and super blendable. I'm starting off my tutorial by cleansing my face using a makeup wipe, and now I'm moisturizing using the Embryolisse moisturizer, which is very good for preparing your skin for makeup. I like to mist my face using a facial spray. This one is from Mario Badescu and I love it. That hydrates my skin further. For my brows, I'm using the NYX pomade in dark brown. This is creamy and a little bit goes a long way. So I am just following the natural outline of my brows and outlining and filling in the brows with the product. Now this is cream based and I like to set my brows with a little powder to make sure they last, to make sure they look natural and beautiful. So I'm going in with a dark brown eyeshadows to just set the brows. After I do this, I took a spoolie and just brushed through the product to make sure it's evenly distributed. And for the front, I brush it in the opposite direction to get that nice natural fade. Taking my AOA concealer, I'm going to clean up the bottom of the brow using a flat concealer brush. Look how neat that is, and I'm just taking a small dense brush to just blend out the concealer. Hey guys, what do you think of my simple bling hairstyle? I didn't know what to do with my hair really, so I just put it in a ponytail and added some gemstones. If you want to watch the video on how I created this simple sleek ponytail with bling, then I'll put the link in the description box if you want to watch that. So for the top of my brows to clean up, I use my foundation shade and use that same dense brush to just blend it out. Look at those brows, they're on fleek and looking so neat and pretty. So now I'm gonna prime my face. This primer is from Rimmel London. I love Rimmel London's primers, you guys. They have a primer for every skin type. If you want matte, if you want satin finish, whatever you're looking for, they have a primer for that. This foundation is really cheap. It's from AOA Cosmetics. I bought it from Shop Miss A. And I'm just surprised and impressed by the quality of the foundation for such a small price. I don't wear this out, but I use it in a lot of my videos. The coverage is nice, the finish is nice, and it matches me so perfectly. I love it. I'm just taking a flat top brush and I am tapping the product into my skin. I'm not dragging the product any at all. I'm just tapping it into my skin, and if you notice, I spritz my brush first. Going with a foundation that's 2 shades darker than my skin tone, I am applying my contour to all the areas I want to contour, and then I'm using the same AOA concealer underneath my eyes and all the other areas that I want to highlight, which are my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. So the beauty of your makeup finish has a lot to do with how well you prepared your base. I know for my skin especially, when I hydrate a lot, I get a more beautiful and flawless finish. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm hydrating with e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray. And then I'm taking a brush to just blend out my contour first. I blend the darker shades first, then I will go into blending out my concealer. Before I blend out my concealer, I'm also going to spritz with the same e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray. Because it's been sitting on my face, which is what I want. It's been sitting on my face for a little while. And now I just hydrate it and blend it out with a brush. I find that doing this gives my makeup a flawless finish. Thank you so much, guys, for liking, for subscribing, for commenting, for sharing. Thank you so much for your support. I really value your support and your feedback. It really means a lot. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Also, remember to share and like if you, or give me a thumbs up if you like the video. That's what I'm supposed to say. But thank you so much, guys, for the support. I'm gonna use some of this banana powder to set underneath my eyes. It's very finely milled, and this one is by AOA. And I'm just using the same brush I used to blend out the concealer underneath my eye. I'm using that to just press the powder into my skin. So now that I'm finished setting all the highlighted areas, I'm gonna go in and set my contour. This powder is from BH Cosmetics and it's 2 shades darker than my skin tone. I'm just using that to carve out my cheekbones and set all the areas that I contoured. And if you notice, that has put back some dimension and some life into my face. It's no longer looking flat and pale. I do have some dimensions back into my face, which makes it looks chiseled and looks great. To set the other parts of my face that I didn't highlight or contour, I'm just going in with a powder from AOA, which is my skin tone. And I'm using a fluffy brush to just pat the powder into my skin. Now onto this beauty from Avon. I'm just gonna start doing my eyeshadow, and I'm taking the darker contour shade to just use as my transition shade. I'm going a little above my crease and in the outer V or the outside of my eye, and I'm just lightly buffing the powder into my eye. I'm going to take the black from the palette and use that to darken the outer V of my eye to give some dimension. Next, I'm going to take the blue and just pat that onto my eyelid. And for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going in with that icy blue shade, which is glitter. And I'm just going to use the applicator from the palette to just pat that into my inner corner, the inner corners of my eyes. I'm applying a little highlighter shade to highlight my brow bone. And for underneath my lash line, I'm going in with the deeper blue. I'm not sure why it's not showing up on the video, but it is blue and it looks really pretty. The blush that I'm using also from the palette is just a subtle brush, and I love it that way. I don't like my blush to be loud. And then I went in with the other applicator from the palette and just applied some highlighter to my face. I went back on my brow bone to just enhance what I already placed there. Now it's time for lashes. I'm going to line my eye. I cannot tell you how much I love this product from Eye Envy. As said before in one of my other videos, if you have trouble applying your lashes, you need this product. All you have to do is line your eye and just drop that lash onto it, because it's a eyeliner and eyelash glue in one. I love, 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 love it so much. I cannot begin to tell you how easy it makes lash application. So if you are a beginner or if you have trouble applying your lashes, get you one of those lash glue and eyeliner in one. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Great Lash to just apply to my bottom lashes and my natural lashes to blend those with the falsies. And this is the finished look for my eyes. Looks really pretty. I can't wait to try some other looks with this palette. I was just trying out the palette as a demo or first look. I can't wait to plane it and try out some other looks. For my lips, I just went in with this peachy lip gloss shade from Coastal Scents. It's a palette from Coastal Scents with a variety of shades that you can use. I like the natural looking shades more. See, just like a lip gloss. And this is the final look, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you liked how this turned out. I liked it. I enjoyed doing this video. So if you like it, just give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell and comment and share with your friends. And happy Thanksgiving when it comes, guys. What are you thankful for this year? See you in my next video. Bye.